Before buying a bread machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Complete Soji-Rushi Cookbook. The Complete Soji-Rushi Bread Machine Cookbook for beginners caught my attention because it promises stress-free baking with step-by-step recipes. Priced at $19.97, it aims to make homemade bread accessible for everyone. If you want to master your bread machine without the usual headaches, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook is packed with recipes designed specifically for beginners. Each recipe features clear, easy-to-follow instructions that help you navigate common pitfalls, like ingredient ratios and baking times. It even includes troubleshooting tips, which is a game changer if you've ever had a loaf go wrong. The detailed guidance can turn your bread making from a chore into a delightful experience. Plus, with no reviews yet, this is a fresh option that could fill a gap in your baking library. Now, some might say $19.97 is a bit steep for a cooking book, especially considering that there are cheaper options out there. Here's the thing though, if you're new to bread making, investing in a comprehensive guide can save you time and frustration in the long run. You get the knowledge that can help you avoid those failed lows. This is perfect for you if you're a complete beginner looking to build your confidence in baking. Skip this one if you're already an experienced baker who doesn't need step-by-step guidance. Given the detailed approach, it offers good value for money. Now, if the price point of the Soji-Rushi cookbook bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Ultimate Bread Machine Cookbook. The Ultimate Bread Machine Cookbook by William Rengel is another great option, especially at just $9.99. It promises 200 easy recipes that cater to every occasion, which honestly sounds like a lot of fun. If you want variety without spending much, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this cookbook is the sheer number of recipes. With 200 easy recipes, you're not just limited to basic white bread. You can explore sweetbread, special occasion loaves, and more. Each recipe is designed for any bread maker, which means you don't need to worry about compatibility issues. The book also provides nutritional information and helpful tips that can make a significant difference in your baking journey. It's kind of like having a baking buddy right there with you. However, some users mention that the recipes can be hit or miss. Look, here's the thing. While 200 recipes sound fabulous, not every recipe will suit your taste or machine. If you're someone who likes precision in cooking, this could lead to some disappointing results. But honestly, experimenting can be part of the fun of baking. This is perfect for you if you love variety and enjoy trying new recipes. Skip this one if you prefer a more curated selection of foolproof recipes. For the price, it's a great deal considering the number of recipes you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more guidance.
Product number 3, Bread Machine Recipes Cookbook. The Bread Machine Recipes Cookbook by Lily Bennett has caught my eye too, especially because it's priced at $15.97 and offers simple step-by-step instructions with color photos. If you want clear visuals to guide your baking, this one deserves a serious look. This cookbook stands out because it includes not just gluten-free and keto recipes, but also stunning full-color photos. This matters for you specifically, since seeing what your bread should look like can really help you gauge your progress. The step-by-step instructions make it easy, even if you're a total newbie. Plus, the troubleshooting tips help tackle common mistakes, ensuring you get it right more often than not. However, some might find the gluten-free options a bit limited compared to other cookbooks. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a balance of traditional and modern recipes, this book has a nice mix. It's not the end of the world if you're not exclusively gluten-free, but worth considering if that's a priority for you. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a visual approach to cooking and want a mix of classic and modern recipes. Skip this one if you're solely focused on gluten-free baking. The price is fair for the quality and variety you're getting. Now, if the previous cookbook's limited gluten-free options bothered you, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook. The No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook for Beginners by Frances Gilmore is priced at $11.95 and focuses on easy-to-follow recipes that are perfect for those just starting out. If you want straightforward guidance without the fluff, this is worth a serious look. This book is designed specifically for beginners, meaning every recipe is broken down into simple steps. This is crucial for you because starting with bread making doesn't have to be complicated. The full-color pictures serve as a fantastic visual cue, making it easier to replicate the recipes at home. Plus, it covers a range from basic bread to gluten-free options, which is great for anyone with dietary restrictions. That said, some reviews mention that the recipes can be overly simplistic, which might not satisfy seasoned bakers. Now, here's the thing.
If you're looking for basic recipes to build your skills, this isn't a deal breaker. You can always adopt the recipes as you grow in confidence. This is perfect for you if you're brand new to baking and want no-fuss recipes. Skip this one if you're already comfortable in the kitchen and looking for advanced techniques. At this price, the value is definitely there for beginners. Now, if you're after a cookbook with more advanced options, the last one may catch your interest.
Product number 5, Cuisinart Bread Machine Cookbook. The Cuisinart Bread Machine Cookbook by William Ringel, priced at $12.98, is a solid choice for anyone looking to explore a range of bread recipes. If you want detailed instructions for classic and artisan breads, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook offers 200 recipes that include everything from sourdough to sweet loaves, making it versatile for different occasions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a wide array of recipes means you can experiment and find what works for your taste buds. Each recipe is designed for Cuisinart machines, so you can trust that they'll deliver the results you want without the guesswork. However, some users have pointed out that the instructions can occasionally be vague, which can lead to confusion. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who's willing to experiment and adopt, this shouldn't hold you back. It's a learning process, and some of the best bakers started out with a bit of trial and error. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a blend of classic and unique recipes. Skip this one if you need absolute clarity in your instructions. Considering the amount of recipes, it's a good value for those who want to try a bit of everything.
If you're looking for comprehensive guidance, the complete Soji Rushi cookbook is a great start. The Ultimate Bread Machine Cookbook provides variety at an affordable price, while the Bread Machine Recipes Cookbook offers visual guidance. The No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook is perfect for beginners wanting simplicity, and the Cuisinart Cookbook gives you a solid range of recipes for any occasion. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your baking style best.